Welcome to our video comparing the HyperX QuadCast S and TECURS USB Microphone. If you're in the market for a new microphone, this video will help you decide which one is best for you. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. If you're on a budget, the TECURS USB Microphone is the winner with its $43 price tag. However, if you're looking for advanced features and customization options, the HyperX QuadCast S is worth the investment at $159. Both microphones have professional sound quality, but the HyperX QuadCast S has a wider frequency range and 4 polar patterns to choose from. The TECURS USB microphone also has a built-in sound chipset and cardioid pickup pattern for clear and smooth sound. The HyperX QuadCast S has a sleek design with RGB lighting and a built-in anti-vibration shock mount. It also has a tap-to-mute sensor and gain control adjustment. The TECURS USB microphone comes with a tripod stand, pop filter, and earphone monitor. While it lacks RGB lighting, it does have a one-touch mute button. Both microphones are compatible with PC and Mac, but the HyperX QuadCast S is also certified by Discord and TeamSpeak and works on major streaming platforms. The TECURS USB microphone is not compatible with Xbox. So which microphone is the winner? Ultimately, it depends on what you're looking for in a microphone. If you prioritize advanced features and customization options, the HyperX QuadCast S is the way to go. But if you're on a budget and want a reliable microphone with solid sound quality, the TECURS USB microphone is a great choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.